Want to know how to get started with Snyk vulnerabilities? In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply log in or sign up to Snyk. So we have also created similar videos for that, so make sure to watch it, which is on our channel. So now once you're here, you should be under the dashboard by default. And now what Snyk does is it basically scans your projects like Python and much more in order to check for vulnerabilities under its libraries and much more. So you can just simply start your project in order to scan it. So here you should be seeing projects right below dashboard, the simplest like that. And here you should be seeing add projects, the simplest like that. Now here you can add projects by various options, GitHub, CLI, and you can also select others in order to add any. So let's say if I go to GitHub, it should head me towards the sign up or sign in page where you can just simply directly link with GitHub. So you can just simply choose public or private reps as you want and then select continue. Once that is done, you can just simply sign in or sign up with Google just like this. And once everything is done, you should verify and then you can just simply add your files, your libraries, and it should verify and look for vulnerabilities and scan. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.